Right guys, back at the range again today. Today brought out the double use compound bowl again. The reason why I brought it out today because it had a peep sight on it, but it was quite big. So what I've done, I put a new peep sight on my other compound bowl, and you get 3 of these with little holes in. So what I've done, I've heated one of them up, then I've pushed it in with a pair of pliers and just put a bit of glue around the top there. So the peep hole was bigger and now it's tiny. So I'm going to give it a few shots today at 40 yards. I've got 4 balloons down there. There's that one, because you're aiming, then the balloon's moving, so you got to like guess where you got to shoot. So that's the first one. I was aiming for the pink one or the purple one. Oh, a little bit too high. Oh, you see me tap the balloon then? I literally tapped it and it didn't even pop it. There we go, got it then. I can't believe that hit the balloon. It must have like just tapped the corner of it. But I thought it would have popped it. There we go for that green one, because that's blowing a lot more. There we go. One more, that pink one. Oh, lost one. Because that wind is picking up a lot more now. Oh, that was so close. Because I think the wind's going to blow it. And there we go. Got all of them. And there we go.